In a world of rapid technological advancements, CloudSeals unveils its Center of Excellence, a transformative initiative addressing challenges for nations, institutions, and students. Nations grapple with the ever-evolving tech landscape crucial for economic growth and national security. Institutions strive to bridge the gap between academic curricula and industry demands, with a growing need for graduates with practical skills. Students often lack exposure to real-world tech challenges, impacting their readiness for the workforce. Moreover, the challenge of brain drain sees talented individuals seeking opportunities abroad, depleting our valuable resources.
CloudSeals recognizes and tackles these challenges head-on. Our Center of Excellence is committed to actively contributing to the development of a technologically empowered nation. It serves as a hub for collaboration, learning, and innovation.
Through practical training programs, industry-academia collaboration, and tech innovation challenges, CloudSeals ensures students acquire relevant skills and exposure to real-world projects. We invest in skill development initiatives such as workshops, webinars, and certification programs, enhancing students' employability with in-demand skills. By actively aligning with national initiatives, contributes to the overall progress and development of the nation's tech landscape. CloudSeals Center of Excellence is dedicated to addressing challenges, promoting technology development exposure, and combating brain drain. CloudSeals empowers the next generation and advances the nation's tech landscape.